Good day, everyone. In this video, we're going to spend a few minutes to learn about how to use the view context property. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so the view context property can allow us to get the data about the route. For example, the name of the controller, the name of the action method, or even the name of the area of the current view. Then you can use that information to set, let's say, among the anchor links, yeah, then which one is the active active one, which means that which anchor link or the page the user is viewing right now. Okay, yeah. So let's see some code in action. That will be easier. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the layout file from the Guitar Shop application, come with the publisher. Okay, yeah. So let me run the app first. Okay, yeah. So let me run the app. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me move the browser into the screen, and then you can see that as of now, okay, I'm in the home. Let me enlarge the screen. As of now, the home link, or the home page is displayed. Yeah, actually, you know that this will be the home controller and then the index view. But then what happened is that if I click the product, if I click the product, then you can see that once I click the product, then the product controller and then the index action method actually will be called, and then the view will be displayed. But then through the view context, it can set this link as the active link, and then if I click the about, then the about link is viewed as the active link. Okay, yeah, of course. I mean, you can play with the element area if you want to. Okay, yeah. So let's see how we can use this view context property to help us make our app more user friendly. Okay, yeah. So this is the code again. This is the layout file. Okay, and then you can at the beginning you can set up a razor code block, and then you can use this view context. Yeah, view context property. There are view context property, and then dot route, get that data, and then values, what values do you want to get from the route, right? Okay, so you say, what is a route? Okay, so basically, let me see. This is kind of the route information. Okay, so let me enlarge the screen. As of now, you only see kind of the short route, but then it can be complicated like this. Right? Okay, so let me enlarge the screen. Right? In that case, you have the controller, then you have the action method, then you have the ID, then you have the slug, yeah, the user-friendly URL been set up. So again, by using this key such as controller, then you can get which controller the page is displaying. And then also you can use this action key to get out to see which action method the current page is displaying. Okay, yeah. So again, once you have those information, then you convert it to maybe the appropriate type, such as string data type that are stored into whatever variable of your liking. And then for action method is the same. Then in your navigation link, right? Up inside the bootstrap style setting, then you can use this razor inline syntax to set whether the current link is viewed by the user or not. So you can set something like this. So if the controller variables value is home and the action method is index, then again, then you want to set the this hyperlink as the active link. Otherwise, you just output the empty string value, okay, yeah, then it won't get highlighted. Okay? And similarly, okay, you can use the same approach for the products link, for the product link, okay, yeah, and then also again get the same approach for the about page or about the link under the home controller, okay. Yeah, again, this is pretty handy in my point of view, okay, yeah, and it will really make your web page very user friendly, okay, yeah. So this is the example, and this is the again the same code I just showed it to you a moment ago, okay, yeah. This is the footer in the layout page, and then again, this one show you that the products page is the active page right now, okay, yeah, and then you can see that it's brighter than other hyperlinks, okay, yeah. All right, I think that would be all about how to use this view context property, okay, yeah. So let me stop the video.